Yung hospitality niya is there. Yung kanyang camaraderie among sa amin, sa atin. And if you would notice, last year, we award Tita of the Year for Tita Lu.
Kasi Tita Lu ba to?
Oh, si Tita Lu yung dahil.
Ano magkano?
And right now,
Si Tita Lu ngayon, paano?
as I've said, the board decided to think a special award for this year. And unfortunately, we decided to award a certain person. Unfortunately, with due respect, we decided to finally award this special award to a certain guy that he's there always. Pagka may dadali sa ospital, pagka may gagawin, pagka may gagawing bubong, may gagawing, ano na yun. So, in behalf of the board, we decided to award this award to the Tito of the Year. Tito of the Year. We have three contenders: Tito George, si Uncle Ernie, and of course Tito Dami. And based on attendance and based on elections we did, based on his performance and we did some criteria. And 50% of the criteria goes to, syempre, camaraderie niya. Actually, it's 130% para. Sumobra. For this year. 50% camaraderie, 50% hospitality, and 30% is audience impact. So, yung trophy.
Andre, may picture ba? May picture?
Video.
So, in behalf of the board, we would like to award this 25th of December 2007 Tito of the Year Award goes to Dami Nacaryo. This is approved and signed by your chairman, vice chairman, ombudsman, Reverend Raymond, and Ambassador to Guam.
Congratulations! Picture muna. Picture muna mga... Kailangan medyo nasa ka dyan.
Dami!
Thank you! Alright! Eric! Thank you! Well deserved.